Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like ages that I've actually sat down and filmed a video, but this video was highly requested and I promised to put up this video before I even went on a break, I think. But you know, things were a little not too good in my personal life, so I didn't want to film. I just wanted to stay away from social media. I didn't even try to post anything on social media, but again, I'm back, hopefully, and I'm in the kind of mood to film my videos and all that stuff. It might not be 2 videos a week or anything. I might try to post just 1 video a week. I'm going to see how I feel and all that stuff. But today I'm here with a FABLETICS haul. So I think a month or 2 back I went to the FABLETICS store. I work out during the week and also I end up walking in the evening, like at least 2-3 miles, if not more. And you know, obviously because I'm working out in the morning and working out in the evening, obviously they get sweaty, and I wanted to buy more, you know, gym wears. That way I don't wash them too often that they get ruined or anything. Yeah, so if you want to know what all I got from the store, then please keep on watching. Also, before we actually move on to the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and yeah, let's get started. I want to mention about the VIP thing. So I was very hesitant about being a VIP member, but the way they explained it to me was if I do sign up, it's free to sign up. But if I do sign up every month, and the start of the month, if I'm not wrong, from the 1st to the 6th, you'll get an email. You can opt to skip the email. So say you forget to skip the email, right? What will happen is there'll be a $50 credit that will go into your account. Nothing will be deducted from your account, but it's just a $50 credit. So next time when I go to the store, I can actually buy something worth $50. It'll just get accumulated. So like 3 months I forget, I'll just have like $150 store credit kind of thing in my account, so I can just go ahead and buy like $150. Also, you do get like special perks, and if something is costing like say $36 or $40, if I am a member, it will go down to almost like $20-25. So let me tell you that when I bought this, all of this together, it costed me around $600. I'm not kidding you. It was $600 for me, and I was like, oh my god, that's way too much. But what happened is when I became the VIP member, it cost me only $250, you know. I don't subscribe to these credit cards and all that from any store, because sometimes they don't work, the customer services aren't that great, but this one particularly was very good. Also, like, I wasn't able to get something from the store, so I ended up shipping it to my house, and within like 2-3 days I had it at my house. So yeah, there are a lot of perks to this, and I highly suggest you to save some bucks, go ahead and subscribe to that VIP member. And I hope you guys have the FABLETICS store close by your house. So now anyways, without further ado, let's just move on to the video and I'll show you one by one how everything looks and all that stuff. So the first one that I have is this power hold. I love the colors. They have several colors. I go for a walk in the evening and I have a mobile in my hand, I have my AirPods, I have my water as well, so I don't want to keep carrying it in my hand. So I always wanted something that has like side pockets in it, because it's very convenient. Good thing about this is that it does have like you can either keep your earphones or your AirPods in it. It has side pockets in it. Extremely comfortable. It's kind of sheer over here. If you go down, it's sheer over here. In like dark colors, you really can't see that well, but here it is sheer, and yeah, you can see that, right? This is in the style power hold, and I'm going to tell you how much the original price was. Yeah, this was about $19, because I got discount, obviously, because I became the member. So this was about $19, and I love the style of this one. The next one is this black lacy top that I bought, and again, I think I got this for about $13 or something. I like that the back is kind of like open, and if you have a very good bag, if you don't have love handles like I have, you can really flaunt it. But again, I was like, I'm gonna go all in. I want it, and I don't care, honestly, it doesn't matter to me who's looking at me anyway. So I really wanted that back open because it looks good. I'm working out, why not flaunt, right? The next one that I do have is this particular bra. I think I have to tell you that amongst all the bras that I bought, this was the one that I bought recently, and I love this one, especially the color. Like, I am a sucker for blue, so I love this color, and it has a zipper, and the good thing is that it also has like hooks inside. So what happens, let's say you plan to wear only the sports bra, right? You don't want to wear a shirt on top. You can just wear it and you don't have to fear about your zipper coming down, because even if it comes down, it's not going to pop out because you have hooks inside. I'll be going ahead and buying like a couple more colors in this because I love this color and it looks beautiful. Next one is this one. Really nothing great about this. It's just a simple one. Yeah, this one, very simple cotton shirt kind of thing, and again it's very similar to this one. If you have to see, I really like it. It's baggy as well, so it's not too tight, so you can work out freely. The next one is this one. I really wanted like a military color. I think they had one in green, and I think they had one in black. But I wanted this color because it was light and kind of looking good as well, kind of a little girly as well. So this is the same style. There's nothing different in this style. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see the color, but you can see like a little bit of pink in it. Like if I show it this way, can you see that pink? That's how it is. Again, this has side pockets as well. It has an air pocket for AirPods as well. With this, I got this particular rose kind of color. Now, my only problem with this kind of style is the pads kind of just keep moving around everywhere. But again, once you fix it, it's going to be fixed. But what happens is when I put it in the washer, I put it in a Delicate's bag and then it moves. So every morning, like at 5:30, because I work out in the morning at 5:30, I have to kind of keep moving this. It's a little pain, but I mean, if you can overcome that, then this is a very good style. I actually do have one in maroon as well. That was the first one that I bought. I really like that style a lot. Very comfortable. When you lift your hands, you won't, it won't ride up, and that's what I want. I don't want it to ride up, and that's amazing. It also covers your sides. You know how, like, there's no spillage on the side, and I don't like that stuff happening, because if it doesn't cover, then what's the point? That means it's not tight enough for you to hold your boobs. So yeah, I really like that. Also, they have a lot of holds. Like if you go to the store and they're gonna ask you like what kind of hold you want. Medium hold, strong hold, or high hold, or whatever, depending on the type of activities that you're doing. These are all the strong holds one, and I will tell you what size. This is the size medium. I'm in the size medium for the sports bra. The next one I have is this color right here. Again, this is very similar. Now, I'm not going to keep repeating the same thing because I have like 5 of these in the same styles. So I'm just going to show you all the colors. So this is again the same thing, same style, nothing different. It has like an AirPod pocket for AirPods, which is amazing. And yeah, I like this color. It's like a baby blush pink kind of color. The next one is this one right here. Again, this is the same as the one that I showed you previously, where it is, again, it covers the sides. In fact, this even covers more. So this is the color green, right? This covers even more. And again, I think this is in the size medium, and it fits me so well. I love the color. I love that it's black. Just that the material is a little bit different. It's like a jersey kind of material. If you can see, I'm going to zoom in and show you. Look at that. Inside is extremely soft, extremely comfortable. Even if you jump, it's not going to move. There's going to be no spillage. And I love the fact that it holds everything in place. Couple of things I'm going to show you. Now, this is kind of old. I bought it last year and I'm not sure if it's still available, but I wanted to show it to you anyways. But I like these kind of sayings, kind of work out hard and be nice. Again, this is from Fabletics as well. Then the next one I got is this one. This is again in the size small. You can kind of fold it and kind of tuck it over there. Just a little bit stylish. Told you, I bought everything. If I like something, I'm going to buy it in all colors. And this is very nice, very comfortable. Yes, I'm in the size large for the pants. Of course, you can kind of go down like medium. But for me, what happens is that I constantly lose and gain weight. That's why I have to always go size up, because if I gain weight, then I'm not going to go and buy another pant or whatever. That's why I try to go up. Good thing about these pants are that it cinches everything in. Like say you have a belly, like I have a little bit of belly left that I really am working on getting rid of. But like if I'm standing up, it just cinches everything in. It's just not too tight. There are some pants which just cut your freaking circulation off, and I hate that fact. But this one doesn't do that. It actually just cinches in and kind of makes you look lean. Okay. The next one I got is this one. Now this is very similar to the one that I'm wearing now. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you see the back of this, right, it is kind of sheer. I mean, it's kind of sheer. If you see, it kind of has a net in there, and then it's open on the front, on the back, right, from the bottom. And this one is similar as well, except that it's open all the way and there is nothing really. And I think one of these had a sale going on, which is why I bought this one. And I was like, you know, I really like this one. It looks pretty good, right? I like the color as well. Then I got this again, the same thing, except that it is in this color. Kind of grayish kind of color, okay? And this is also an old one that I got. This is not a new one, but I just like the color and I liked what it said on there. It just says pretty strong. Okay. The last one, and these are the last ones that I got, are these pants right here. These shorts. Now I love these shorts, okay? They're so comfortable, and I am not comfortable with wearing something like this. This is something that I used to wear as a child, like, you know, slacks or shorts that you would say. I mean, I wear shorts, but not like these yoga kind of shorts, right? Very comfortable. This also has pockets on the side. It also has a pocket inside. Extremely comfortable. I believe they had black or gray. I think they had black, but I ended up buying this, and I think they didn't have my size in black, which is why I didn't order it. But I do like this one. And also the last one would be this bra, which is very similar to the black and the pink one that I showed you. Extremely similar. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys go to the store, buy something. This video is in no way sponsored by Fabletics. I bought everything by my own money. The bill is right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you do like this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and also follow me on social media, because I'm going to try and be active over there as much as possible. I used to, I kind of took a break, but I'm going to try and get slowly into the groove. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.